This is 10 millimeter on this particular compressor. So you want to loosen it up. Want to get this bolt out. Then you want to take your clutch off. Set that right here. And then you got this snap ring. And then you want to make sure you get this right, because if you damage the snap ring, you're in a heap of trouble. Pause that shit. Okay, got a little compressor. Alright, pause that shit. Alright, then you're going to take your pulley off. And then you got another snap ring deep down here. Want to get this one off as well. They're a little difficult, I ain't gonna lie. There's that one. Then right here, you got your magnet. And when your AC system is engaged and your compressor turns on, your magnet is off of a magnetic pulse, electromagnetic pulse, my bad. And when it's activated, it will pull the clutch right here, which is attached to the top of the pulley. This outer ring, it'll pull that down and it'll be engaged for at least 2 seconds. And after that, your system will stay running. And then when it's not engaged, you have a belt that's on this pulley that's constantly spinning as the motor's running. And then you gotta put it back together. And if you notice, this side right here is tapered and this side is flat. You always want to put the flat side down. So put it back in. And after that's installed, you want to put your pulley on. You got another snap ring.
Alright guys, we're out of time.
Gotta get it back together somehow. And you got that back.
Clutch.
Then you got the clutch you want to put back on. A handy dandy ratchet.
Well, like organize them a little bit. Missing a lot of tools.
And then stop.